Your DJI Ronin have a couple of lock to not remain like that when you turn it off. You can control it manually or automatically. Manually, you can use, you see here, there is a lock for this gear. So if I switch it to lock, it's not lock automatically. You have to move it to a position where the lock can be engaged. So this is the first one. You got a second one right over here. So again, same principle. You put it into lock position, and when it reach a lock position, it will lock. Then finally, you've got another one just right here. Same principle. And there you go. The other method, because actually it's lock, if I press the power button while it is on, because it was on, now I can control everything. But if I want to lock it, just to use it as a tripod, I can press on the power button that is just right here, sorry. And then it goes into lock position. There is that position to lock it, but if you want to lock it in shutdown mode, let's say, you can unlock it and then press and hold the power button, and it will lock into turn off position, let's say. So I hope this was helpful.